In this tutorial I show you access modifier and also how to use access modifier and what is the difference between Java with C++ and how to use setter and getter method. So let me explain the difference between Java and C++. So basically, object-oriented programming in Java is very similar syntax with C++, but there is a similarity with C++. User-defined classes can be used like built-in types, and the basic syntax is similar with C++. So the difference is from C++, methods or member functions are the only function type, and object is the topmost ancestor for all classes. All methods use the runtimes, not compile time. Types all Java methods like C++ virtual functions. The types of object are known as at runtime. All objects are allocators on the heap, always safe to run objects from methods. Single inheritance only in the case of Java. But in the case of C++, multiple inheritance is allowed. So the other is access modifier. There are around 4 access modifiers. The first one is public, private, protected, and package. In the case of public access modifier, if you want to declare a variables or others by using public access modifier, that variable is accessed within the same class and outside the class. If you want to declare, or if you declare a variable by using private access modifier, so the scope of that private access modifier variables within the same class only. Whereas in the case of protected access modifier, if you declare variables by using protected access modifiers, so the variable is accessed within the same class and within the child classes that inherit the main class. So the other is package. In the case of package access modifier, if you declare variables by using package access modifier, so the variables can be accessed within the same class and without other class and within the same package. So this is the difference between access modifier or access specifiers. So the other is setter and getter method. If you declare variables by using private access modifier, so that variables cannot be accessed within outside the class. So to access that variables, you must have to use setter and getter methods. Setter method is used to initialize or assigning the value, whereas the getter method is only returning the value. So this is the difference between setter and getter method. So let's get started the coding part. So first you have to open the NetBeans editor. After that you have to click files, click file and new project. Click new project. Actually Java NetBeans supports different application like C++ application, PHP, and also Java FX, Java AWT, different applications. So and also Java supports mobile application, Android. So now I want to write a Java program. To select Java, then click next and give the object, the project name. So the project name is Java, or my Java, my Java. By convention, the class name starts with capital letters. So click finish. So the other main concept is class and objects. What's the difference between class and object? Class is the blueprint of an object, whereas object is an instance of class. So this is the difference between class and objects. So class consists of object. Class consists of different methods and instance variables. So now I create one project, my Java. This package name is my Java, and also the class name is my Java. By convention, class name starts from capital letters, and the main class public static void main. This is argument, string arguments. So I show you the access modifiers like public and private. So if you declare by public access modifier, assume public x, y. This variable is access within the classes and also outside the class. So public int x and y, I have to create, or I have to declare variable x and y by using public access modifier. The type is integer. So in the main class we have to instantiate objects. What does that mean, instantiate object? Instantiate object mean so creating an object by using the class name. So my class name is my Java. Give object name. So the object name is mg equals to new, here my Java. My Java. This is generally shows that object creation or object instantiation. So by using mg object, you have to access the x and y, the class variables. So mg dot x, you have to assign value to x4, and also mg dot by accessing by dot operator for y, you have to initialize 8. After that I have to add one variable sum equals to x plus y. So or I want to add some variable, so mg dot sum which equals to x plus y. Or mg dot x plus mg dot y, then semicolon. Here I have to display the sum of x and y. System dot then out dot print line the sum of x and y is then concatenation mg dot sum. Then right click, run file. The sum of x and y is 12. So this is public access modifier. So if you declare the variables by using private access modifier, cannot be accessed within the without the class. So to access this by using setter and getter methods. So here, and also the other main concept is accept the input from users. You have to call one package import java dot util dot scanner dot util dot there is scanner scanner class is used to accept the input from users. So if you want to accept the input from user, you must have to import the package scanner. So here I have to import scanner class. After that, here you have to write or declare variables private and age, private string name. So here you have to write setter and getter method. The first is setter method. So public void then set age. Setter method is due to initialize or assigning value a or age. Here you have to age. For private age you have to initialize the parameter age. Further you have to system dot out dot print line the age is then concatenation age, and also public. So this int age is return some value, so the getter method is returning the value. So int get age this is due to return age, only return age. So the other is name. So public void is a type, so set name, then the parameter is string name, initializing the private names to parameter name, so name equals to name. Here I have to system out print line, the name is concatenation name. So here is one method, get method, public, then this method is return value. Here we have to get name, so return name. After that, here I have to declare or instantiate the scanner. Here I have to accept the giving input object, so new scanner, accepting the input, there is system.in. After that, accepting age and name from users by using input. So here I have to int age, which equals to input dot next int, accepting the input from user. Before this, there is a message system.out.print line, please enter your age. Just like this, copy for name, please enter your name. Instead of input dot next int dot next, here also a string, so string name, which equals to input dot next. After that, setting those inputs by using setter method. So mg dot set age, give age, so mg dot set name, we have to give name. Finally execute this, system.out.print line, your name is, or only printing in the setter methods, you have to enough and display or run this. project. So enter your age 23, name Apple. So the age is 23, the name is Apple. So today I show you how to use setter and getter methods and how to accept the input from users, what's the difference between setter and getter method, and what is the difference between Java with C++, and what's the difference between class and objects. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.